Atomic Ivy source, video 544. Let's get into it before we run out of time. So first of all, in the illegal stuff section, our monkey wrench macros, we got some monkey wrench macros here, we got some monkey wrench macros here, and we have monkey wrench macros here. Just things that they are close to the variable we want, but they're not quite the variable we want. In const macros by system, within the Fiopunk section, we have added the... Hold on. Oh, yeah. The number of steps for a certain task. What kind of task? Invalid task, save file task, load file task. Whether or not the task can be killed. So, can we kill? Can kill. Can we kill an invalid task? No, we can't. Can we kill a save box task? Yes, we can. Can we kill a load box task? Yes, we can. So these are the constants. Then down here in data by system, we have added a whole bunch of variables. So these are going to be used as DOM element hacks to get us to be able to open up a save file or load file dialog box. And this cluster here, this cluster of variables, tells me all I need to know about the currently running task. So we have two possible tasks we can be running, either trying to save something or trying to load something. This tells us whether or not a task exists, and are we doing a task? What is the enumeration of the task? This tells us which task we're doing, saving or loading. This tells us the number of steps in the task. This tells us the index of the next step to complete. So when this is 0, it means that we haven't completed any steps yet. And can kill. Can we kill the currently running task? We have two lookup tables, right? They take a task enumeration and they spit out two different pieces of data. This is task enumeration to number of steps. This is task enumeration to whether or not we can kill the task. And we have the number of steps for invalid save box and load box. Can we kill an invalid save box or load box task? And then a little sanity check right down here. Okay, so here's our footnotes. Here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go to the playlist here. You are on the advanced playlist here. Technical demos are down here. Source code's here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm working on a fully destructible fractal geometry game. It's kind of like Bomberman, except we use proximity mines with directional blast. So like and subscribe.